Now, if you're fine with random play or by artist play, it's fairly easy to transfer your music. You just drag the folder into your music category. But if you like some order and organization for your songs, as I do, this is how to make a playlist. Make a folder of your playlist songs on your desktop. Plug in your MP3 player. It should open up on its own. If not, click on this PC and click on it there. Drag it to the right. Move the left edge in a bit so you can see your playlist folder. Click on your search box and put in Windows Media Player Legacy. Open it up and a window should show under the Play tab showing Unsaved List. Drag the folder on your desktop into that spot. It starts playing your first song right away. Just turn it off. Go to the List Options icon and click this little black drop-down arrow. I like to click on Sort List By and select Album Artist, which orders your list alphabetically by artist by their first names. Although sometimes I find I have to do it twice to get it to be more accurate. You can order songs manually also. Then click on that drop-down arrow again and click on Save List As, and that opens a window on the left. Type in the name of your list, go to Save As Type, and then over to the drop-down arrow on the right. Click on M3U Playlist, which is the type of file you need to set your playlist. Then what we're going to do is save it. But where to? We're going to save it right back into the folder you got the songs from in the first place. Your folder on the desktop, in this case, Playlist Sample. So then we go over to the navigation panel at the left and click Desktop and find that playlist folder, Playlist Sample. Double click on it to open it. Then click Save. That puts your M3U ordering file into that folder on your desktop. Open up that folder and you can see that among the song files here is your M3U ordering file, Playlist Sample, right here. Usually lands in alphabetical order. Then drag that folder into your MP3 player playlist category. That should do it. Now you can unplug your player, wait a few seconds for it to refresh your media, click on Music, Playlists, pass over these Go lists, and find your playlists. Here it is in alphabetical order down at the bottom. Click on it, pick a song. If you listen with earbuds, you can listen to your music anywhere. If you listen to music mainly in your car, as I do, plug the MP3 player into the USB port of your car, and it should show options on the screen just like the old iPods did. Good luck. It should work.